The way we work is changing faster than ever. Hybrid teams, automation, and AI-driven workflows are redefining productivity. Businesses that adapt to these changes will thrive, and those that don't might struggle. Today, I am covering the biggest workforce trends in 2025, backed by data and the best software tools helping businesses stay ahead. Let's get into it. I'm Phil Pallen, and in this video, we are looking at how work is evolving and the software shaping the future of workforce management. Companies are navigating rising labor costs, employee engagement challenges, and AI-driven efficiency shifts. The tools that we use to hire, manage, and collaborate are changing too. I'll break down 3 major trends shaping the future of work and the software that solves them, starting with the first trend, automation, but not at the expense of people. Work is becoming more automated, but people still matter. AI is handling more of our workloads, but not replacing us. It's supporting us when used correctly. Smart automation helps businesses eliminate bottlenecks and boost productivity, and the tools that do this well aren't just for tech companies, they're for any team trying to get more done with less stress. One of those tools is Motion. It's used by teams big and small, and I love how many of its features are powered by AI. Let's start with the AI Task Planner. It scans your to-do list and automatically ranks your most urgent and important tasks. No more manual sorting. Next, there's an AI Project Manager. You describe what you're working on, and Motion builds the full project for you: steps, deadlines, and dependencies. During meetings, its AI Meeting Note Taker runs in the background, so you can actually focus instead of scrambling to take notes. Then there's the AI Docs Assistant, a feature that organizes notes into tasks and adds them to the right projects for you. And my personal favorite, the AI Calendar Assistant. I love this. It schedules your day automatically based on priorities, meetings, and your actual workload, so you can always know what to work on next. Motion doesn't just help you plan your week, it helps you execute with focus. But automation isn't just for scheduling tasks, it's transforming how teams operate day to day. Workforce management is evolving beyond spreadsheets and manual approvals, making operations smoother and more efficient. Scheduling software used to be just that, scheduling software. Now, workforce management tools are evolving into all-in-one platforms. Instead of just filling out calendars, they're helping businesses manage time tracking, task coordination, internal communication, and so much more with less manual effort. It's not about replacing people, it's about giving them better tools, and I'm going to show you one. That's where Connecteam stands out. Start with Smart Shift Scheduling. It analyzes past data to suggest optimized schedules, saving managers time every week. Once published and pushed through to your employees, it will look something like this, listing all the shift details and even the option to give your employees the chance to find a replacement without having to go through your manager or have unnecessary side conversations. Confirm that shift and open the time clock, where if turned on by the admin, employees clock in using GPS and their hours are instantly synced to digital timesheets ready for payroll. And on that note, Connecteam connects with all the popular payroll tools: Xero, Gusto, Quickbooks, and others. Earlier I mentioned all-in-one, and this tool certainly is, with built-in team communication tools where you can have direct conversations or share messages company-wide on the newsfeed. Assigning tasks, chatting with staff, all of that can happen in one place without requiring separate subscriptions. No need to switch between 5 different platforms. Connecteam brings everything together. Built to reduce admin overhead so small businesses can scale without the stress. And by the way, this tool is free for teams up to 10. And for teams larger than that, they offer a free 14-day trial, so you can test it out to see if it's a fit. 50% of employees now expect hybrid work options, but many businesses are still struggling with remote collaboration and knowledge management. That's where AI-powered documentation comes in. Teams aren't all in one place anymore, and that's not changing. But managing hybrid teams comes with challenges: miscommunication, lost documents, time zone confusion. The right software bridges those gaps, keeping teams aligned, informed, and efficient no matter where they're working from. I think Connecteam, as I mentioned previously, helps with a lot of these, but one more complementary tool might be Notion, especially with its AI features. Starting with AI summaries, instead of reading through endless meeting notes, Notion distills the key takeaways for you, fast and accurate. You can also turn bullet points into full paragraphs, brainstorm content, or generate next steps with a single click. For hybrid teams, this means less back and forth communication and fewer bottlenecks. Automated documentation keeps everyone aligned, and centralized knowledge prevents information from getting lost in DMs or emails. Whether you're collaborating asynchronously or across time zones, Notion AI keeps your projects moving. And using Notion without the AI features is also great, as you can see in this example project, which I'm showing on screen, a blog content organizer with drop-downs, emojis, and tables. This is a great and easy way to organize information for your business or for someone else, such as a client's business. Businesses are tightening budgets and financial inefficiencies add up fast. AI-driven financial tools are making it easier to track spending and automate reporting. Efficiency isn't just optional anymore, it's essential. Every tool you invest in needs to save time, reduce manual work, and scale with your business. That's why integrations between software platforms matter more than ever. Xero is a favorite among small business owners for its easy-to-use accounting tools. You can track income and expenses, generate invoices, and even automate tax calculations. And when it connects with workforce platforms like Connecteam, you can sync time tracking data directly to payroll, no double entry or errors. It saves hours of admin work, especially if you're managing a lean team. And Quickbooks is another go-to for small business finances, especially for those who work with both employees and contractors. It streamlines payroll, 1099 filings, and direct deposit, and integrates with platforms like Zapier and Connecteam. This integration lets you automatically sync timesheets, track labor costs, and generate clean financial reports without jumping between tools. The way that we work is evolving so quickly. Businesses that embrace AI, automation, and smarter workforce tools will be more efficient, resilient, and future-proof. For AI-driven scheduling, Motion is a great option. For workforce automation and management, Connecteam is the best all-in-one solution. For smarter team collaboration, Notion AI are great. For financial efficiency, Xero, Gusto, QuickBooks are just a few to name. What do you think is the biggest shift happening in the workforce right now? Let me know in the comments. I'm replying to every single one of them. These are the top workforce tools shaping 2025, in my opinion. I've linked to them all below so that you can check them out. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more videos on this new YouTube channel on business tools, strategy, and productivity. I'm Phil Powell, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.